Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News, your source for the latest in electric vehicles and sustainable living. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a critical safety concern that affects not just electric car owners, but also golf cart and scooter enthusiasts. Imagine driving down the road, enjoying the wind in your hair, when suddenly you hear the unmistakable sound of water rushing past your vehicle's wheels. The storm surge from Hurricane Helene has hit, bringing with it a flood of salt water that poses a significant threat to electric vehicles. According to the State Fire Marshal's Office, 48 lithium-ion battery fires were linked to storm surge, with 11 related to EVs. That's right, folks. If your electric vehicle is left submerged in water for too long, its battery can short-circuit and discharge its stored energy, leading to a chain reaction of thermal runaway that can ignite the battery cells. And once it ignites, the fire can spread quickly, making it extremely difficult to extinguish. The good news is that with some preparation and knowledge, you can minimize your risk of an electric vehicle fire after a storm. First and foremost, if you live on the coastline and own an EV, make sure to move it safely away from any potential flood areas before the storm hits. Unplug the vehicle and consider storing it in a clear, open space. Now, what should you do if you see smoke or strange noises coming from your EV after a storm? Call 911 immediately. And if you suspect that your battery has been damaged by flooding, don't attempt to charge or drive the vehicle until it's been thoroughly checked by the dealer or certified mechanic. It's also essential to understand that thermal runaway can occur hours or days after floodwaters recede, so don't try to start or drive an electric vehicle that has been flooded without proper inspection. And remember, if you store your EV indoors or near structures, assume the battery and associated components are still energized and fully charged. At Electro Drive News, we're committed to helping you make informed decisions about sustainable living and electric vehicles. Stay tuned for more stories like this, and follow us on social media for the latest updates on the world of electric driving.